Okay folks, I'm going to show you how to do my smoked goose. I do this for Christmas. I was lucky enough to get a goose, so I've brined this goose overnight. 2 gallons of water, half cup salt, half cup sugar, and a bay leaf. That's about all I do for the goose. The goose has a lot of fat in this skin, so what we want to do is we want to bring that fat out. So what I like to do is get a really sharp little paring knife, and I just run it over the skin. You don't want to go through the skin, but you want to break the skin. And what that's going to do is, as this cooks and renders down, all that beautiful goose fat's going to come out. Don't forget on the legs here. And if you have a sharp knife, just be careful. You don't want to cut through. You're actually just breaking that membrane. Alright, so I'm going to dry this off really good. We're going to get it on the pellet smoker, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's probably the best way to cook a whole goose. Alright, so my pit boss is up to 225, and we're going to get this goose on here. Dried them off, but they always seem to have more moisture in them. I'm going to put it on the top rack here, and that is where that's going to spend some time. Yeah, it's pretty darn cold today, so I'm thinking it's going to take about 5-6 hours to get her up to temp. So we will be checking back soon. Alright, she's been going about 5 hours. Woo, look at that bird. Alright, she's finally reached temperature 163. I'm going to pull her off and let her rest. Let's go down the leg quarters and kind of peel them away here. Feel as you go. Looks beautiful. That's one. But the great thing about smoking them is we rendered that skin, so all the skin got really good and crispy. Alright, so there's 2 legs, and then the way I like to cut the breast is goose breast. The grain of the meat is kind of like that, so I'm just gonna cut a piece here to show you. And this tastes like some of the best roast beef you've ever had. I love eating the skin. It's delicious. That's so good. You can see the smoke, but yeah. I like to just carve it nice and thin. And this is great. You can serve it for dinner, or you can you want it to be pink. You do not want to overcook this goose, but this is great. You put it in the fridge. You can nibble on it. It's so tender. It's good. All right, so I'm gonna have some of this. Hope you enjoyed this. Next time you get a goose, get it plucked or pluck it yourself and smoke it. Took us about 5 hours at 225. I used competition blend, Pit Boss competition blend, for the pellets. So simple brine on it. Let it cook. Bring it up to anywhere from 162 to 165, and then pull it and let it rest. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.